Good morning, students. Welcome to English literature class. And today we will read chapter 11, that is The Hockey Wizard. As a boy, Dhyan Singh loved playing the game of hockey. When he grew up, he joined the Indian Army. Since his childhood, Dhyan Chand used to love playing hockey, and when he grew up, he also joined the Indian Army. Being so good in hockey, he was chosen in the Indian Army team, and from 1922 onwards, he played in many army events. His first big match was at the annual military tournament that was held in New Delhi. He was shown as a center forward and helped his regiment to win this prestigious medal and to bring an honor for his military team. And in 1923, his team also won the Meerut tournament. Dhyan Singh could not practice enough during the day due to lack of time, and he had many army duties to perform. So he thought of a new way for this solution. They took out a new solution for this, and every night when others used to go to their bed, he used to pick up his ball and stick and go out for practice his game. And seeing him practicing in moonlight for hours, his friends began calling him Dhyan Chand. Seeing so much of dedication towards his game, practicing during the night time, when all his friends saw him, they gave him a new name, that was Dhyan Chand. In 1925, Dhyan Chand played the finals of the Punjab Indian Infantry Tournament in Jhelum. Dhyan Chand's team was losing the match and there were just 4 minutes left for the game to be over. His commanding officer said with great urgency, "Come on, Dhyan, we are 2 goals down. Do something about it." And it was unbelievable. Dhyan Chand took the ball on his stick and dribbled through the entire defense to score a goal. He scored another and then the third, and in a 4-minute span to snatch a dramatic last minute victory. And in last 4 minutes, he did a dramatic. He snatched the ball from his opposite team and made goals on goals, and it was a last minute victory. And it was after this match Dhyan Chand earned the nickname Hockey Wizard. After giving tremendous victory, he also won the nickname Dhyan Chand as a Hockey Wizard. People also started knowing him by this nickname Hockey Wizard. In 1932, India played against Japan and also won 11-1. Dhyan Chand scored 4 goals in the finals. The Indian team had to play against the United States. Now, after defeating Japan, they were supposed to play with United States. Dhyan Chand said, "On August 11, we met the United States in the final match of the tournament, and it was like a cakewalk for them, means very easy task. And that match was also won by 24 goals to 1. A few American players even suggested that to make it a contest, the Indians out to play left-handed or wear snowshoes." One American newspaper wrote that the Indian hockey team was like a typhoon and out of the east, and which trampled the United States team under its feet. One of the popular newspaper of America wrote in praise of Indian team like it was a typhoon, and also it trampled the United States hockey team, means it crushed the United States team under its feet. In 1936, at the Berlin Olympics final, the match ended with India defeating Germany by 8-1, and there was complete silence over the vast stadium because India has defeated Germany in this match. Hitler was to have presented in gold medals to the winning team, but he had already left in anger and frustration because his country had lost the match. He was very angry. But though he presented the gold medals to the winning team, but had left the stadium with anger and frustration. The next day, Hitler asked to see Dhyan Chand. He was called in his office. German dictator welcomed him warmly, then offered him a high post in his German army, but Dhyan Chand refused to accept it. And in this way, the meeting was ended. Dhyan Chand is undoubtedly the greatest sportsperson of India. India has produced the famous world over as the hockey wizard. He dominated the game like no other players in the history of the game. That's all in this chapter. Thank you.